This is a Massey Ferguson RB4180V. So it's a variable chamber baler with a maximum bale size of 1.8 meters. Comes on a towing eye. It has a 2.1 meter camless pickup with a crop press roller. It's adjusted on these chains here. It has anti-contour wheels. These are just up here for transport, and then they're mounted on the side. It's got a hydraulically braked axle. The tyres are 560 R22.5s, flotation tyres. It's spec with a bale discharge ramp, and then it has electronically adjustable bale density, bale size, a number of net wraps. Has an auto lube function. It also has a soft core function. And it is in stock and available now.